In this video, I will show you how to buy tickets for the 2026 FIFA World Cup. Start by opening your web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type FIFA World Cup Tickets 2026 and press Enter. The official FIFA website should appear at the top of the search results. Click on it to open the site. Once the website loads, look for the button that says Register Interest Here. Click on it and wait for the page to load. You will now be asked to enter your email. Type in the email you want to use. You can either receive a one-time code to sign up or select the password option instead. If you choose the one-time code option, check your email inbox for the code and enter it on the website. If you select the password option, create a password and continue. Once you are signed up, the website will ask for some personal information. To receive updates about FIFA World Cup 2026 tickets, fill in your first and last name. Make sure your email is correct, then select your country of residence and gender. Choose your date of birth and select your preferred language. Once all the information is filled in, check the box to accept the terms of service. Then, click the Submit button. After submitting your details, you will receive an email with more information on how to purchase your tickets when they become available. That's it. You are now registered for updates on World Cup 2026 ticket sales. Keep an eye on your email for further details. If this video was helpful, check out more tutorials. Thanks for watching.